to get out of here. Just worried about that post. Miles off. What he's doing. Can't see. Oh, look at that. Oop, he had a car in the road. It's easy. God, things are so easy sometimes when you think they're going to be hard. Alright. See you at our next destination. I'm back, because we're not out of here yet. They don't leave us much room.
You want to check that white ute because we're going to swim. We alright still to that back? Thank you. It's got a big tail, this thing.
You want me out or not? Oh, you're not going to hit. You're going to hit that. Oh, Bradley Bennett. Jeepers.
Thank you.
Oh, anxiety. Oops, I'll get out of your way.
Look at that side over there. And look behind us.
Jeepers creepers. Oh. Oh, I can't look.
Thanks, mate.
Thought it was piss easy. Can you see or not? Am I on your road again?
I've got it now, Ange.
Got it? Oh, God, blimey.
There's another bloke there.
Giving you a hand.
Yeah, giving me a hand.
I thought that'd be that was the hard bit. Get me out. Oh, God.
Fuck, it's going to be a tight squeeze.
Yeah. Didn't warn me about that bit. I wouldn't have got in so fast. You're the master, Brad. You're getting in and out of tight space. Jesus Christ.
Oh, well.
That car was so close.
You've got to learn pretty quick. How are you?
Anyway, we're out. Yay! Sulphur plastic opportunity. What's he eating? It's really a bit high. Can't hold it still. What is he eating?
Yeah, we've got a day outside today watching the V8 supercars in Sydney. I don't know, temperature is like 30 degrees or something, so not a bad day outside. But I've just realised how good I'm getting at my new job. I cannot believe it, I love it. Best job I've ever had in my life. Just got another 10 years to tick along. And
Plus.
I'll be a pro by then and look for long service leave in this job. Be good. Here we are, back at it again. Just doing a quick mod to the van, which is just for Starlink. It's like a pass through for Starlink. Everyone's done a pass through somehow, but this one's pretty easy. I didn't want to drill any holes in the hatches outside, so what I've done is got a piece of, this is about an inch PVC, and on the cross countries and a lot of the TV hatch just goes in under the sink. So this is still all sealed from the door, and if I want to, I'll just put a rubber bung in there or cork if I have to. That's not a big drama. I'll left that one open at the moment. So we're just going to pass the cable through there, which is easy. But this cable goes up to the roof now, around there and up to the roof. But when we set up in the future, we'll be able to just plug it in, leave that plugged in there all the time like it is. Poke that straight through that cord there, which goes inside the cupboard, and as you can see, it comes out there under the wheel arch. So that's just a plastic wheel arch, which is easy to cut through. And in the wheel arch now, I'm going to insert this bung. I've got a boat bung in there, so that'll just fit. I'll bring this back inside. That'll just fit straight back in that hole there. And it shouldn't be too bad, so it's a quick easy one, and take the wheel off to drill the hole. Yeah, so you can actually see the daylight through there. So the boat bung's just going to go in that wheel arch there now, like that, when I seal it in. So that's going to be fully sealed and dust proof. This is sealed to the outside, and we'll just drop the Starlink in there, cable straight through there, through the bung, and then we can shut the doors of the hatches properly and run the cable out the bottom of the floor here. It'll just come out on near the wheel there, and I run it on top of the box and around there and back onto the top of the Starlink. So that was pretty good. We haven't put it together yet, but it should be pretty good. And the other one is, I wanted to check on this van for ages, is on these rims there's no hub spacer. So this rim is way bigger than the hub on the van, which is over there. So I'm going to look for a hub spacer to fit in here, because when they're like this, it puts too much pressure on your wheel studs. People snapping off wheel studs left, right and centre, because the hub's not sitting on here. So if you carted a fair bit of weight around on four-wheel drives before, because you know the rim's supposed to be sitting on this, and I've got about a 5mm gap. So I'll be tracking down some hub spacers, put in all my rims, and that'll take the pressure off the wheel studs a bit, because they're actually sitting on here. So yeah, once I find out the size, I'll let you know what it is for the disc brakes. But quick easy job today. Nice sunny day. No, about 25 degrees, so good day for doing a bit of fixing. Well, this barrel is slightly twisted around that way, so on a real heavy downpour we get a few drips coming through that side of the awning barrel, which is not a big problem, it's only a little bit. You can get wax to put in there, and the wax is supposed to seal the stitching, but I've had a good sticky beak in there, and I went and found one of them real small little guns at Bunnings, one of these little tackers, which is this little one. It's got a really small fine little nozzle like that. Look how much is coming out, which is bugger all. Little gun, little ripper.
Roof and gutter.
Little ripper for a caravan, it's nice and small. Anyway, the nozzle,
It's got nothing. I was looking for what you were using.
if Van zooms in a bit, you can see the nozzle
If I s-
just pokes. I'll move it a bit for you and zoom in. The nozzle just pokes underneath there. So that little bead, now it's going to set, that little bead, I went all the way along, so the water will hit that now, and it shouldn't drip through on the other side of the barrel there. Because this, I probably could have this around this way a bit further, but it finishes about there, so the water just runs this side sometimes. It's got to piss down though, but anyway, see how that goes. Just something to see if it works. I think it should do. I didn't put much plastic in it, but if I need to, I might even cut the nozzle and just go a smidgen thicker, and then flatten it right off nice and neat, but I'll let that go. See how it goes.
So here we are at Bunyip in Victoria. Just having a drive round town. It's bigger than we thought it was going to be. Staying at the Bunyip Recreation Reserve on Site 2 for $25 a night.
Power and water.
With power and water. And the showers, toilets, and they have happy hour at 4 o'clock. And there's a little camp kitchen in the, what's it called? It's two pubs.
Go back up there and see if I can check out that mural.
There's an IGA Mexican, is it, restaurant?
Yeah.
the Lost Mexican. Look at that. It's pretty cool.
Oh, nice. I can pull up here for a second.
And we've got a big mural on the wall. That's okay. I'll take a photo. Yep. Next, the train station. Have everything here.
Voucher for this pub or the other one?
It says the Royal Hotel. We haven't found the Royal Hotel. So I don't know. No. Royal, because I read it out to Stacey. Hey look, speaking of Stacey's, it's got her name on the wall. Stacey's Hotel. Oh, that's funny. Need a photo of that to send it to her. She's got her own pub. Yeah, buildings. RSL Hall. Yes. Pull up and I'll get a photo of this pub. The Stacey's Hotel. You didn't see it. That was funny. Station down there. Oh, and there's a caravan park. All
the trains aren't very loud. You can't leave near them.
No. Not at all.
There's not one parking.
Anyway. Stop and get this photo.